Good afternoon, everyone. Keith Reno here with Wintrust Mortgage. Hope you're well. I'm coming at you today a bit on the go. It's Wednesday, about 5 o'clock. I just got off the phone with one of our new VA buyers, and I've been having a lot of thought pertaining to VA financing. I've been getting more and more questions pertaining to VA. Jason and I were incredibly familiar with the VA loan. We're actually doing about 4 or 5 of them a month, so we're really seeing a lot of our veterans now in the marketplace that are good qualified buyers and are exercising the VA benefit. And for them, the VA loan, it is a huge benefit. It's really the last loan product available in this marketplace that's 100% financing, so that means no money down, and there's no mortgage insurance. And if you compare that to, say, an FHA loan with minimum down, talking about mortgage insurance on a $400,000 loan, the mortgage insurance on an FHA transaction itself is over $400 a month. So that veteran, the VA loan, no mortgage insurance, it's a huge savings, a real benefit. Some other nice things here, the LA County limit, we go up to $687,500 on our VA loans. And that doesn't mean you can't have a loan amount higher than $687,500. If the VA buyer is putting down 25% of the difference from, say, $687,500 to whatever price they're buying at, again, just 25% of that difference, they can actually go to a much higher loan amount. For a quick example, someone that has a VA benefit can do $1 million purchase price and put down as little as $78,000. That's only 7.8%. No other loan product available in the marketplace will offer that. So again, a huge benefit tied to VA financing. So really make sure you are asking your buyers if they are a veteran. This gentleman I was just speaking with, he's looking to buy $1 million home. Every other lender in town is telling him anywhere from 10 to 20% down. I happened to ask him the question, are you a veteran? He said yes. We're now able to do the same $1 million purchase, but he only needs to put down $78,000 and not deal with any second mortgages or mortgage insurance. The guy's through the roof. He can't believe that no one else has brought up this option to him. But it's because a lot of people really don't know about VA financing, and that's another that leads me to another big misconception, and that is the seller does not have to pay a VA buyer's closing cost. I commonly get asked the question, well, I think my seller, or I think the seller has to pay a certain portion of the buyer's fees. That's not at all the case. To touch on that, there's what they call the VA non-allowables, and basically it's escrow fees and lender fees. For an example, on a $300,000 purchase, between escrow and lender fees, you're probably going to be within $3,000. The VA non-allowables actually allows the VA borrower themselves to pay up to 1% towards those non-allowables. So on a $300,000 purchase, 1% is $3,000. So if those non-allowables are going to be within $3,000, the VA borrower can pay those fees. And if you're working with a lender like Wintrust, where we actually don't charge our borrowers any type of lender's fees, as long as the escrow fees are within $3,000, you're good to go. There are a few fees that the VA buyer can never pay for, such as like back HOA dues or paying off a second mortgage that the seller may have. But other than that, the VA buyer can pay the standard fees. We're doing those transactions all the time. So if you're representing a seller and you're getting a VA buyer and they're telling you this, it's wrong. Get me on the phone. I can talk to the agent or whoever involved and explain what the actual guideline is. But again, this is a big misconception. So moral of the video here, talk to your buyers, see if they're veterans. Don't be scared of the VA loan. It's a great loan. We're doing them within 30 days. There's a tremendous amount of benefit there for those veterans. And I think we all have a responsibility to help veterans any way we can and try to get them into homes. Let Jason and I know if you have any questions or if you like more details on the VA program. We'd love to help. We're very familiar with the product. We do 4 or 5 of them a month right now. And I apologize for the 4-minute video. I see I'm on 4 minutes and 15 seconds here. See everyone soon. Thanks so much.